Sometimes you mess up and you just don't find out for months. This is one of those times. We recently found a soft spot in the drywall in the bathroom. The baseboard paint was peeling and the sheetrock was soft from the bottom to the top. After some initial investigation, it was determined the culprit was a screw through the pipe. During installation of a towel holder, a screw was put into the pipe. Not just one screw, but 4 separate times. After some scrutinization, I determined the best remedy was a band clamp over a rubber gasket. I initially considered putting Teflon tape on a small screw and screwing it back into the hole, but decided against that method due to the screw getting loose over time. Here's the rubber gasket material I used. It's a rubber reducer gasket that I found at the hardware store. I cut small pieces that fit over each hole. The gasket has small ridges on each side and it's made to fit a band clamp. I just slipped it behind each clamp and tightened it down. While I was tightening the clamp, I dropped my screwdriver behind the sheetrock. With no other options, I had to remove more wallboard so I could retrieve the driver. It was a good thing the screwdriver fell, because the wallboard was super wet and had to be removed. I really had no other choice. I found my driver and put on the remaining clamps. I had my wife flush the upstairs toilet so I could check for leaks. I heated the room for 2 days before going forward. The remaining of this video is me putting the wall back together. I'm going to measure and cut and hang some new drywall. I'll put on some fun music and just stop talking. Alright, I got it. Took me forever, but I figured it out. At least I think so. Here's my picture. Alright. And there's my piece. Kinda matches the picture. Hopefully. Stage 2. I got the hole cut out for the light and the hardware back installed. I put on 1 coat of mud for the corners and all the holes. I attached the sheetrock with some construction adhesive. It came out really nice. So far so good.